Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another college day in my life. Today is Tuesday, which means I only have 2 classes today. I have speech and then I have my culture class, and I feel like it's gonna be kind of a busy day just because I have kind of a lot to do in my culture class. We have to present what we worked on last week, we had to she put us into groups and then we had to answer some questions on these articles and stuff like that. It was just a lot of stuff to do, honestly. So we're gonna talk about that in class today, and then we're going to also talk about our topic for our final presentation, which I chose fashion. It's either you choose artifacts, so you either choose fashion, food, art, I think that was it, I don't know. I chose fashion and I'm doing it in Japan, Tokyo, Japan. So that's my topic, and we had to write 1 paragraph about what question we're going to be answering, so we have to present that. Just a lot of stuff today, I feel like. So of course I'm going to bring you guys along. You guys seem to be enjoying my college vlogs, so I'm going to keep doing them. It is now 9:42. I have to leave here in an hour. I love getting ready and just sitting here and relaxing, having this moment to myself before I head to school, because I'm going to do something that I like to do, so that when I get to school, since I really can't do that, I'll I don't know, it just makes me in a really good mood to start my day. So you guys should definitely wake up a little earlier, not just rush to school. But yeah, I'm going to sit here, watch some YouTube, and catch up on everything that I need to do, social media wise, because I don't look at that when I wake up. So just sit here, chill, have my coffee, and then head to school. Guys, a quick outfit of the day. I'm wearing this nudish pink sweater from H&M. This white creamish big furry sweater that has a hood. It's really chunky and cozy. It's from Forever 21. And then these jeans, let me show you guys better. These ripped jeans are from Fashion Nova. I'll try to link them. And then these shoes, my car is really dirty from all the leaves, but these shoes are from Sam Edelman. They're a nude suede little casual shoes. They're from Sam Edelman. I got them 2 years ago. Anyways, that's my outfit, just if you guys were wondering. I like doing little outfit of the days for you guys. I'll try to link some stuff if they're still available. Probably the jeans are available. I don't think this is available anymore. And then my shirt, probably not. And my shoes might be. I'll try to find it for you guys and link it down below. Alright guys, I just got to school. I found parking right away, thankfully. Usually I'm literally circling the parking lot so that I don't park far, because I really hate walking so far. But anyways, I'm kind of really early, so I'm gonna go to this building to print out something really quick, and then I need to pee really badly, so I'm gonna do all of that, and I'll see you guys in speech class. Alright guys, I'm walking to my culture class right now, and it's super chilly. Alright guys, I'm waiting for my next class, and I just had Chex Mix. Guys, my new video is up. Make sure you go and watch it right now. I'll have it pop up, and you guys can go and click on it if you haven't seen it already. Alright guys, so I just finished editing and then uploading Then I took a quick shower and I washed my hair because I'm going to be blow drying it today. So I was like just looking at my video and stuff and letting it kind of air dry a little bit because I don't like to start blow drying it when my hair is like soaking wet because I feel like it just takes forever. So yeah, I'm just letting it kind of quickly air dry a little bit, and I'm still gonna start blow drying it when it's wet. Like right now it's probably perfect. So I'm gonna actually show you guys what I use while I blow dry it, and it's so like easy and like perfect. Alright, so this is what I use. It's the Infinity Pro. You can't see because it's like smudged out. It's just a Conair like blow drying brush. So I use this to blow dry my hair, and they just have like the settings here, and I just put it on high. And then I also have like this little 3-finger glove that I've had for forever. When it came with my first like curling wand a long time ago, but I still use it like when I straighten my hair and stuff and curl it because it just really helps. Honestly, it makes the process go quicker because I can just grab the hair without like waiting for it to cool off. And then my big clip here, and also this little spirally hair tie so it doesn't mark my hair in between. So yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, I'm all done with my hair. My hair's super long, it grew so much, and I need to get a trim kind of soon. But anyways, I'm going to now have some tea and start editing this video so I can get it up for you guys, because I also have a bunch of videos that I'm going to be filming within these next couple of days. So definitely stay tuned and have your post notifications turned on for that, because I've been trying to be really consistent for you guys, and I hope you guys are enjoying all of my videos. Let me know down below any like video requests you have for me, because I will get to them, but I have a couple in mind for this week. And I'm going to just edit this video. I like to take Tuesday nights and like try to edit any videos, literally any free time that I have. I like to just edit and get it done. I actually like editing. A lot of people I feel like don't like editing. I don't know, I kind of like it. Just I'm like super in the zone, focused, and I don't know, I really like it actually. So I'm gonna do that and have my tea and then probably watch some YouTube. So that is like my little work I'm gonna be doing for the night, but it's not really work because I really enjoy it. So yeah, that's what's now on the agenda. Alright guys, I just got into bed. I'm going to just watch like maybe one more video and then go to sleep, but I'm gonna end off this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and leave any video requests that you have down below for me. And I'll see you guys in my next video.
Flying high like the birds and the bees, and we'll fill the sky with the songs and the trees, 'cause we're buzzing.